If Lightroom is showing an out-of-memory error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes you can try right now on Lightroom Desktop. These steps are simple, safe, and designed to help you get back to editing without crashing, freezing, or running out of memory again. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the most important step: close background apps. A lot of the time, Lightroom is not the only program using your system resources. Open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac and look for heavy apps like Chrome, games, video editors, screen recorders, or anything else using a lot of RAM and CPU. End those tasks if you don't need them. This alone can free up a surprising amount of memory and give Lightroom more room to work. Next, clear Lightroom's cache. Inside Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, and look for the cache or performance settings. Find the option to clear the cache and click it. Over time, cache files can build up and cause Lightroom to slow down or run into memory problems. Clearing them is a quick way to refresh the app and remove unnecessary stored data. While you're in that same area, increase the cache limit. If Lightroom lets you set a cache size, raise it to somewhere between 20 and 50 gigabytes, depending on how much free space you have on your drive. A larger cache can help Lightroom handle larger projects more smoothly, especially if you work with high-resolution photos or a lot of edits. Now check your system drive. Lightroom needs free disk space to breathe, especially when it's generating previews, editing large files, or creating temporary data. Try to keep at least 30 gigabytes free on your main drive. If your drive is nearly full, delete old files, move media to another disk, or empty your recycle bin. Low disk space is a very common cause of memory-related errors. Another useful step is to pause Cloud Sync. If you use Adobe Cloud Syncing, click the cloud icon in the top right and pause sync temporarily. Syncing can use extra memory and background resources, especially while Lightroom is already under pressure. Pausing it during editing can help stabilize the app. If the problem still continues, try disabling GPU acceleration as a test. Go back into Preferences, open the Performance section, and turn off GPU usage. Then restart Lightroom and see if the error improves. On some computers, the GPU setting can create compatibility issues or add extra strain, so testing this option can help you confirm whether graphics acceleration is part of the problem. And finally, reduce heavy edits when possible. If you are working on extremely large batches, very high-resolution files, or multiple intensive adjustments at once, Lightroom may struggle on lower memory systems. Try editing in smaller batches, closing extra panels, or working more lightly until the project is finished. So to recap, close background apps, clear the cache, raise the cache limit, free up disk space, pause Cloud Sync, disable GPU if needed, and reduce heavy edits. In most cases, one or more of these steps will fix the Lightroom out-of-memory error quickly. If this guide helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting Lightroom running smoothly again.